It is also important to keep the house free of insects like cockroaches, houseflies, and mosquitoes. Cockroaches, houseflies, and mosquitoes spread diseases. So, we have to keep not only the dust out of the house to keep it clean, dusting it, but we have to keep all these pests like insects like cockroaches, houseflies, and mosquitoes. So all these things come inside, insects come inside the house, they live in the house and they sit on the food that we are kept open, and then we have that food and then we get the diseases. That is why the sicknesses spread everywhere. A clean house can keep away insects. Insects like cockroaches live in dark corners of the house. So, windows should be kept open during the daytime to let in sunlight and fresh air. So, only the clean house can keep away the insects. Insects like cockroaches live in the dark corners of the house where there is sink, inside the sink, in the corner of the room, and behind the fridge, all those places. And where there is no sunlight reaches there the insects live. So we should keep the doors open, the windows open for the sunlight to come inside and the fresh air should come inside, so these insects will not make their homes there, and you will be free of these insects and like cockroaches, mosquitoes will be free from this. The waste in the house must be put in a covered bin and disposed of every day. This can keep away house flies and other insects. So the next thing we have to do is to keep the waste of the house, we have to put in the bin which has got a cover, and we have to dispose it, which means we have to throw it out every day. And this will not, when you keep the house clean, the house flies will have no place to come inside to sit on to anything, they cannot breed on it. So the house will be free of house flies or insects because our house is very clean and there are no waste kept in the open bin, so everything will be okay.